I couldn't imagine not having a car. To not have a car just makes life so much more complicated. You know, the simple act of running to the store, you know.
Walking to the buses, trying to get to doctor's appointments for their kids. There's no way possible I can even fathom what it would be like to not have a vehicle and a family that depends on you.
We've been working with Recycle Drives in various capacities for about 6 years, I believe. So on Veterans Day this year, this November, over 130 veterans and their families will drive away and refurbish cars.
We had talked with one of our partners, Progressive. Rich was the first one to raise his hand and say that I want to be a part of this, and I know my teammates want to be a part of this.
I was all over it, and one of the techs immediately came to me and said that he wanted to be the tech to work on the car.
I can't imagine, to be honest with you, you know, what it feels like to go to be in war, you know?
John had already spoken up, said he was going to handle the body side of things. I had spoken with Rich like a day or two later. I said, hey, you know, I want to help out.
It takes a big toll on your body to be able to work on a car, and once the day's over, you want to go home to your kids and your family, and then here you are working on someone else's car for free.
You know, they served our country, and some of them come back with scars that never heal. So to be able to give something to somebody who has a need, I'm willing and able to do that.
Total combined, these guys will probably commit to 100 hours as a team. It's truly amazing, and when we give the vehicle away, the parents, they're crying, and then you see the kids, and they're just smiling and beaming from ear to ear and knowing what this will do for their family. We're definitely really looking forward to getting these done and having a big party on Veterans Day.
I think it'd be fun to go down there and be there as well, meet the people and see their enjoyment. Hope they like it.
It'd be nice to shake their hand and say, here you go, you know? It was my pleasure to help you out.
I want to see their face, and I want to see how excited they are about, you know, just getting a transportation.